Hello, my name is Russell Gobbatz. I'm a senior in Ferris State's Plastics Technology program. First off, I'd like to thank Yanfeng for coming out to our career fair this past Tuesday and giving me an opportunity to speak here today. I'm not going to require any sponsorship. I'm looking to stay in the Metro Detroit area. I've lived in Metro Detroit my whole life, and this is where I want to start my career. After college, my goals are to become a process engineer, build a better processing foundation, and support my future engineering career. But what really excites me about this position is that I'll be able to go through a rotation and understand each facet of engineering throughout the company and really get a whole understanding of how the company will run, rather than just being thrown into a position not knowing how everyone else's job works and how the company will flow. So I think this is going to benefit me more in the long run, as I'm going to gain more knowledge and experience throughout each rotation and find what position really fits me the best. For the company, it's going to help me integrate into life on board with Yanfeng faster and with mutual understanding and respect for everyone's job throughout the company. My internship experience, my first internship was at Plastipack, blow molding operator, making sure bottles were getting down the line, and every hour checking quality of the bottles to make sure we're within specification. What was really beneficial about this internship experience is that I got to work on the floor for the first time, and first time in any manufacturing setting, so really helped me get comfortable after the first 2 summers with the plant and how everything worked. And also working 12 hours overnight, 3 to 4 days a week, helped me be able to work any shift now in the future. My other internship last summer, I worked at Yanfeng Automotive Group. They're an exterior supplier. There I worked as a mold setup tech, and it was my most valuable experience so far. I got to get the full molding experience and learn about more machines and technologies that we don't have at Ferris in the classroom, like hot runners and valve gates and cores. We'll have a lot of that equipment available to us. But over the summer, I just got to learn the basics first, of hooking up water lines, using the crane, and that type of deal to help set the molds into more advanced experiences like tearing down tools and working to do process troubleshooting. Overall, my experience at Mint was great at helping me learn how a molding shop runs, and really got me a lot of hands-on experience with machines and molds, which will help me at Yanfeng to put this experience in motion and build upon those experiences for my future. During my time at Mint, I was the intern, and so for this certain scenario, I was working with a process tech, and we were having parts were flashing around these holes in the parts that were being made. I brought up a suggestion after we were working on it for a minute. Hey, can we turn off the pack and hold and see if our part is overpacked or is over 95% full? If the part's too full before the pack and hold, it's gonna be too much plastic goes into the cavity and cause the part to flash out. But he disregarded my my suggestion. So after he told me to just keep raising the transfer position, that way every time you raise it, the less material is going to get into the cavity, and eventually raised it enough to create a short shot, but we were still having flash around the holes that this core is making. So overall, it led to tooling maintenance, tooling failure, rather than our process. So if we just looked at the short shot, took off the pack and hold right away, we would have saw that it was flashing and would help sped up our process. But really from that experience, I learned that it's important even for people below you or your peers, like respect their decision. If I'm doing something that's not working right, someone offers me some advice, I'm definitely going to see if it goes through, and if their advice is wrong and if I gain more experience, I can be able to show them the right way and how to fix the problem rather than beat down on people or kind of degrade them, I guess. And like, hey, no, you're wrong. This is how you should do it. So that goes into being a good leader. I feel like as a new leader, I still need to gain some more experience, but it's important to show integrity and honesty. That way you can build a relationship and have your fellow workers trust you and know that you have their best interest and not just looking out for yourself. It's important to have respect with your coworkers and gain respect from them, but also respect them as well, not try to push them down and bark at them, I guess, and lead them around. But really what is really important is communication. Being able to communicate effectively is important in the workplace. You can't tell the people below you what needs to get done. We're not going to be able to deliver parts or work efficiently, and being able to communicate to higher ups is important to understand what they want for the company. It'll be better for me if I can communicate with them well and understand what I need to do to direct the people below me. Sorry, I lost my spot. I feel like this position will be great as I am passionate about working in the automotive field, and I really want to experience each engineering field that this rotational program will have to offer. I'm driven to deliver the highest quality for our company, for the company and the customer, and hopefully look forward to more opportunities in the future. Thank you so much. You have a great day.